Welcome to another Hebrew lesson. This time I will teach you how to say hope in Hebrew. Similar to other lessons, Hebrew words in this lesson will be decorated with nikud. I will also pronounce the words and share with you topic-related Hebrew knowledge. Hope. In Hebrew we say tikva. Tikva. The stress is on the last syllable. This is the correct way. Tikva. Sometimes you may see the word spelled without nikud, as follows. Since there is no nikud, another letter, or in fact a matter of reading, is added to the word to indicate the vowel. That is why you can see two vav letters at the end instead of just one. The plural form of the word tikva is tikvot. Tikvot. Another point about the stress in the word. Tikva is a fairly common name in Israel for women, common mainly in the previous generation. When used as a name, it is safe to say that most people stress the second to last syllable in the word. It sounds like this: tikva. Tikva. Here is the infinitive construct of hope. Lekavot. Lekavot. The letter lamed at the beginning is one of the prefixes letter in Hebrew and not part of the root. It is like the to in to hope. The word tikva is of the root kava. Kuf, vav, and hey. The origin of the word and root is from the Hebrew Bible and Hebrew scriptures. It may be even older than that. Here are some words from the same root. I've colored the root letter so you can see it clearly. Before we finish, I can't ignore the fact that the national anthem of Israel is also called Hatikva. This literally translates to the hope. Well, that's it for this lesson. You now know a lot more about the word hope in Hebrew, how to use it, and its meanings. I hope you have found this lesson interesting. Leave any question you have in the comment section below, and as always, thank you and toda for watching.